Hey guys, today we're going to do a video on how to install handlebar risers on my bike. We're doing that because I'm a bit too big for it. Well, not too big, but too tall for it. And first of all, I'm going to give you a 360 of my bike and show you what's on it. And yeah, we put on new plastics at the start of this season. We didn't have the channel then. That's why I didn't, there's no video on that. But next year, we're going to put probably new plastics, new graphics on it. And, yeah. We just got new wheels too. Pretty nice. And when we got the bike, it had a already modded pipe. It's an FMF turbine core 2. Yeah, we're gonna raise this higher, these handlebars, and yeah, we're gonna show you how to put them on, how we do it, show our tools too, and yeah, show you the tools. We're gonna be using a 12mm wrench right here, an Allen key for these bolts, and if you can read it, it's Tusk Performance parts for the handlebars, risers. But yeah, we'll cut it to when we start putting them on. We're back. We're gonna put these on. These are the actual risers. They're Tusk Performance parts, and these is a 7/8 riser kit, roughly half an inch raise on my purse. And here are the tools. We have a 12mm wrench. He's gonna take off the bolts. Allen keys are to put on these bolts on the bike. And yeah, open them up. We have them out. Let's see what we have to do to take out the actual handlebars. And I also forgot to mention the handlebar guards in the 360 part of the video. These are actually a lifesaver. I highly recommend these if you're gonna get a bike and you're new to riding. The first weekend I was riding, I broke a clutch lever. Good thing I didn't break the front brake lever. We didn't have one of those. And yeah, they're service handle guards. We're lucky we found them. But let's get to the part where we're gonna take off the handlebars now. So first, let's take off the number plate. If you have one like this, where it has a little tab right here, a tab right here, should be easy. It's like a belt. Let's take that out. If I can even. We can, okay. So we gotta unclip this thing. You forgot this tool here, to take out this little bolt here. And right now we're gonna take it out just to take off this number plate, so we can give you a better view on how to take off the bolts. And yeah, let's do that right now. So it pulls out. Okay, to take off this, there's a prong here. It's easy, you'll see it. So use that bolt. There we go. Let's take out the bolt, put it on the seat. There you go. Okay, now this is opened up. It's a bit dirty, but that's okay. I guess we have to take this off. Okay. Alright, it's sped up anyways. took this thing out. He forgot to do that, and it's easy. And now we're just gonna take off these, and we're just gonna rest them right here, because we don't want to go through those cables again. Okay, alright, let's go to the handle razors. It also came with a sticker here. We'll put that on later if you want to, but let's go see how we put these on. Okay. Should be easy. This should be, yeah. Start with 2 here. So they come with 2 bolts and 2 of these things. Let's see. Okay, you have to put on the handlebars actually. Okay, we're back. Put the handlebar down back here. We're gonna put these risers. Okay. So both of these things go right here, and then just like that. Then we're gonna put these things back on with the bar. We'll show you how to do that. We'll start off with 1. We got these screws. This is we got the bolt and the washings, and only use the washings if the bolts are too big for the risers. But let's put them on now. Okay, put them in. Alright, we're back. We made a little mistake here. In that mistake, we moved all this stuff here. All this stuff from the seat to here, so it's more organized. Nothing's falling on the ground, and we're not losing it all. And yeah. And now we're gonna put on and install the actual risers. So let's do that. Okay, we're gonna put the actual risers on first, just like that. So they're nice and steady. I'm gonna fix them, put them in the right place, so you don't have to do that again. And so the bolts for these are going to be replaced with the bolts for the risers, because they're much longer, and they also come with washers, just in case they're too big for the bolt to go in. So we're gonna put the handlebars back on. Put them on nicely, just like that. There we go. We can adjust them later on, but let's first put these, and let's get the bolts ready to be put on. See, I'm not going to adjust just like that. We're gonna put on the right one first, so let's do that. And there's the cars riding by. Let's get them in so they don't go loose. Okay, let's put this one in. This one seems a bit weird. Let's fix this one up. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna flip it around. Okay. There we go. That's pretty even now. Face them back. But let's put this on now. Actually, you should also put the wheel forward so you can lay down the handlebars down. Give her a better place when it's not turned here. and you can actually see if one side is more to the left or more to the right. So we're just going to put on the bolts now on each side. And do one right here, and one right here. Let's make sure they're all in place. Looks good. Okay. There you go. You can also adjust it, sit on your bike. There, actually. Make sure it feels right. It feels weird for me because it's higher, but it looks right. Actually, we can much better. And yeah, let's go put on the number plate now. Put that back on. Even get a new one of those. Slip that back in. That came out. That sucks. Maybe even flip it to this side so you don't accidentally slip it off yourself. Here we go. Looks almost complete. Now the best part, kinda, not the best part. I used a 8mm. Stick mine in. Yours is probably the same. Done as much as you can so your number plate doesn't flop through the wind as you ride. Now it's gonna put on the strap that goes around your little hand guard here. Turning it down. Let's move this wire. Put it in between your handlebar. Then again, you don't have to take off your number plate. Get to the little slot. We also have this sticker here. I don't know if I want to put it on. I can put it on right here. It actually won't look bad. It'll match the red on my Honda, so. Oh yeah. Has .com on it, which is weird, but. Alright. Yeah, right here. Let's put it straight into the middle. I can always take it off. So we're gonna put on the sticker, we're gonna put it on the top right corner here, and we're gonna take it rip, and that'll be the end of the video. Okay, let's put this on. Alright. Safety first. And yeah, should kick first try. Feels much better. Standing up feels much better. Before I was hunching back. And yeah. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share this video. The link to share this video will be in the bio. Thanks for watching. Feels much better now. See ya.